But these were the same NDC people who succeeded in getting some of us to turn against Kenuforiata. Yeah. The same NDC for no. My pressure, we stood against our own. With that said, let's go to Nana Donko. Nana Donko. Ata. Your friend was saying NDA. Yes, sir. NDA. It was for Ukrainian meaning. Ukrainian meaning. Mammy, your friend NDA. Mina minim no. I never knew her. Now, I had never even heard of her, I believe. But I'm fine with picture. Mami, I had never heard of her. But apparently, you see, or you're Ghanaian. You see, some mameno, I have heard NDA, no, or you're Ghanaian. OT America. I remember, say, prior to election 2024, I think I came across her as a video that I don't know whether she was supporting NDC or something like that. But I didn't know her. I didn't even know she was an influencer, and I say a popular person. And to me, I didn't really care about who she was. Now, Akoba say, Samira, she has gone to say some things, and when they shared a video with me, I watched the video and I was like, what? Really? So from there, after watching the video, I said, okay, let me find out about this woman. So I went to her page to go and find out about her. And she was nobody so special. I think she has twins instead of twins. Is that also? You see, Ghana, we are too quick to make people feel as celebrity. NASM or Ghana, no. Ghana, we are too quick to make people feel like celebrities. Just say, onya followers are crazy people. We are celebrity. Small followers, we are celebrity. So people don't see, how difficult, how hard it is to be called an influencer, to be called a celebrity. And when they get there, they are not careful about what they say. They are not careful about what they do. They are not. They are not careful about what they do. They are not careful about what they say. Because they did not suffer. They didn't suffer to get there. Just say, "Obi timi yi ni tuo because our tuo be tuo kakra bi penu wajani influencer." Nipa no wo hips kakra pe wajani influencer. Unhwehwe nipa na dwemu say nipa na dwemu do anase endo. So now it has become say once you have bottles in Ghana, we are back. Then you have bottles. You have big back. We are influencer. We are celebrity. And we have a lot of mediocre people. People cannot reason. People cannot see far. Who now have become influencers, and they are leading the youth astray. And whilst they are leading the youth astray, they are making money for themselves. Now, anything, you see, let me tell you one thing. Whether we like it or not, Hajia Samira Bawumia is one of the most ever present figures, female figures, when it comes to our politics in Ghana and even Africa. You can say wives of politicians that are really active, really effective, really known, really popular. Ghana, West Africa, Africa, and even outside Africa. The name Samira Bawumia will be mentioned. And to say, wow, from so you're a celebrity. You feel, say, because a few couple of people are following you, because who are followers, or TikTok, and we are celebrity. So you can slander her. It is a lost cost from the very beginning. You have lost from the very beginning. before you even made up your mind to begin krano, we lose ye. Because look, the number of people Hajia Samira has helped when it comes to paying school fees, when it comes to giving scholarship, when it comes to recommendation. See, I can tell you, say, when you give that Nana don't call whatever her name is, 10 years from now, Krano, she cannot. The number of people Hajia Samira has empowered. When you give Nana don't call whatever her name is, 10 years from now, she cannot. Now you see, the thing in it say, I've told myself something. One thing mission free NDC for ni say, see, se nipa bi nipa no onye kra. The moment oye NPP ni, se oni NDC ni nya sema, I will always support NPP ni no. And in san na donko na o feel say, obeka say honorable Ken aka say ni say no. Ohwana we NPP for no. Instead of maybe concentrating on Nunana Donkono, we will go and call, we will start insulting Honorable Kennedy Japan rather. See, we will not insult Honorable Kennedy Japan. Nobody should insult Honorable Kennedy Japan. No. See, let us not allow NDC4 to get us to turn against one another. Whatever Honorable Kennedy Japan had said, yes, he has said it. Yes, he got us to lose the election. And so what? We will solve it internally. But you see, these things that the so-called celebrities are doing, a plan for us to stop looking at Amemo Bonia, John Mahama, His Excellency, any NDC4, are supervising. A plan to make us stop looking at GhanaNsem that has become pro-mass. It is a plan to make us stop talking about the way they are pumping dollars into the forest market just because they want to tame the foreign exchange. And let us not concentrate, let us not focus on Kennedy Japan. As for January, dear, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, we win a diversionary tactics. Thank you, Mr. Dujanfi. And the NDA, Yasumano. After all, whatever she came to say, no, yet now you name dada. Okay? We didn't know. Honorable Ken has said it, and he has been remorseful. Okay? He has been remorseful. So that is all that consensus. Let us not focus our attention because of this thing on Honorable Kennedy Japan, that we are insulting him, we are calling him to order and all those things. A diversionary tactics, meaning a serious diversionary tactics. And you see, while we are NPP, some of these people, when they come out and fool like this, and follow them, because NPP are nabes. Even at our lowest, 4 million people went out to vote for us. And to say 4 million people yanka say 2 million crowd was social media no so. Obi bra no be ka assembly sana. When you unfollow that person, nipa no say, NPP for. Nipa bi say there's no way me I will follow that person. Debbie, anyone who can talk evil about anybody that is an NPP person, me, I would never follow that person. Grace says, I agree. Thank you. I will not follow you. See, let us treat NPP like a religion. Yeah. That is how NDC4, that's how they are. When you go against one person in NDC, they will all come at you at once. They treat their party like a religion. Papa Jerry says, I agree with you, bro. Thank you. Essie says, I agree. They treat it like a religion. When it comes to yen internal contest, yen internal election, we there. Se honorable Ken Kebia, you say Kebi, or Kasa ebe inano. And there internal contest, fearsome. But pass NDC influencer be. Babe Kasem. Then, because of that, we will turn our anger towards one of our own, the bidder. We will not. We will not. Unless says, I'm with you, bro. We will not. We will never make that mistake again. And the day I learned that lesson was the day Sami Jemfi went to give dollars to Agrada. That was the day I learned that lesson. Before Sami Jemfi went to give those dollars to Agrada, now President John Mahama had come out with a book he himself entitled A Code of Conduct for his appointees. And through 2 days, Sami Jemfi, the dollars in command Agrada. So we were thinking, now your dream say, oh, where there's Sami Jemfi, why a mistake? You be pamono. Number one, omu grassroots for omu bubefu. Ebushan for, I was surprised. I was shocked. When I saw say NDC for grassroots. They were supporting Sami Jemfi. I've seen NDC for grassroots. They had written letters to Julius Debra and President Mahama. Say who name now the Usanka Sami Jemfi? Say who name now see Sami Jemfi come out be dollars. And who pamu Sami Jemfi? Adia yedibe yemono. Enye easy. I said, wow. Wow. But these were the same NDC people who succeeded in getting some of us to turn against Kenoforiata. Yeah. The same NDC for no. My pressure, sir. We stood against our own Kenoforiata. But that Kenoforiata that we stood against, only a finance minister, he got us one of the fastest deals when it comes to IMF bailout. Kenoforiata, no. Kenoforiata, no. He got us to have single-digit inflation before 2020. I graces I never did. Well, that good for you. I did. So don't let we NPP Nino. NPP Nino. Never ever let anybody our NPP get you to turn against one of our own. Let's be united. Let's be united. Let's come together. Sir Cosmos says that, my brother, you've said it all. NDC is a family of love and protection. Yeah. They protect their own. I'm telling you, as we are speaking right now, NDC, for they are not happy. They are not happy. NDC and the power. The people are being neglected. They are not giving them appointment. And some of my friends are involved. Off the recorder, they will tell you, they are not happy. They will tell you they are not happy. They are not happy that after they working for NDC to come back to power, it is women who have hips and ass that are and buttocks that are being given appointment. They are not happy. But though they are not happy, radio station, they are still defending their party with all their strength and all their might. They are not. Recently, I think Endra, or 2 days ago, one of my friends, or your deputy communications director, Emma NDC, our whole central. Nasemba modern Ghana. The news by. And the news is saying, see. Enunye. Enunye. So that I don't think I'm lying. Read the title. Modern Ghana. NDC leadership advised to recognize party loyalist. Deputy Communication Officer, Ho Central. Ebusianfo, semu she. Pa guy we no. Minim no pa, minim no yesha radio station de bia. Oye NDC for Deputy Communication Officer Ho Central. Osanya a member of the regional communications team for NDC. They are not happy. Guy we NDC about by mono. Yenya man appointment you. They have not yet given him appointment. Meanwhile, no, ma more hips ni etuono or money appointment. to the extent say nkrofobia na omu ni certificate, omu ni genuine certificate, omu nyina no na omu nya appointment. Ebiti say ansansadeli mu. So what to unkwandie, what hips unkwandie. So these are the things that are happening in NDC right now as we are speaking. But how often do you hear them say it? How often do you hear them come out to come and say it? They were trained like soldiers. NDC4, they were trained like soldiers. They were trained to do before complain. Okachine said, da, obeda. That's how they were trained. So we will not flip on any of our own. Any external person that wants to put their mouth into our issues, we will deal with you. Just like the way we dealt with Ejakwabna, just like the way we will deal with NDA. And I'm happy, sir, over this week, a lot of people dealt with NDA. I'm told she has now come to apologize. Even after the apology, we will still deal with her. Yeah. We will deal with her, Papa. We don't want apology. No. If you come and poke your nose into our issues, we will show you that our symbol, the elephant, is not just for is not there just for being there sake. Go and read about the elephant. Share elephants in the savannah or wherever they find themselves. They make way, they bulldoze their way through. Until we are elephants, you don't take our kindness, our silence, our quietness to be our weak point. Never. We will deal with you, Ankasa. And people should be warned. Why unye NPP ni? See, asema Kwesi Kwarteng, an official spokesperson for Honorable Kennedy Japan. Asema obeka, and we will allow him to go get away with it. Say unye NPP now beka, we will deal with you. We will attack you also. See, if Kwesi Kwarteng comes out to talk against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the way I will respond to him, it will not be the same way, say, a NDC that has come to talk about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And that is how we must all be. That is what we must all learn. We must all learn that. We shouldn't allow any external person. That is why I was so happy. But some also not. I was not too happy too. Because when Hobson Adoye came to talk about Ajia Samira, some of our people in NPP were happy. Why were they happy? Because they do not support the husband, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But that is something that we must stop doing if we want to get back into power. When somebody comes out to attack the Hajia Samira, we are here NPP ni biano. Whether you support Educhum, you support Kwabena Japan, support Honorable Ken, you support Brane Champon, while we NPP ni biano, you must go at the person, you must attack the person. The same way, me a Mitihano, me a Bawumia fan, me a member of Bawumia campaign, but say obi ye NDC ni, obekasatia ye ma Stella, ye Honorable Ken Japan irea. I must attack that person. Yeah. I must attack that person. That is the only way NPP is going to be strong in opposition, and that is the only way NPP is going to return to power as soon as possible. We must never ever leave one of our own to suffer. We must not. Let's all remember. And Enyumrewe say, if for nothing at all, Enyumrewe, if there's nothing you can remember from this life, always remember, say NDC ni, say CPP ni, say CSOB, say oye osofo mpo, say oye omumbe attacking nipa baku NPP moi. Let us reply to them in full strength. Let's just reply to them in full strength. And so far, Bawumia camp, we are doing well in that. And I want other teams to learn the same. Say yes, yeah. Finally, I want you to share with me stories from Free Senior High School under Mahama. Your name say level 100s no, omuko school. First year for omuko school. User 87 say you are very intelligent, pa. Oh, I'm humble. Thank you so much. First year for no muko school. Na school muko no. I know, say people are paying money. If you have heard of such stories, please, when you come on, come and share with me. So at this point in time, you can start sending your requests. Let me pick you. We have spoken about 63 MPs endorsing Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. We have spoken about Nana Donko, whatever your name is. We have spoken about, and we are speaking about Free Senior High School, what it has become. Now, whilst we talk about that, Nebusianfo, Cam Hacks Rentals. Cam Hacks